Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
When someone is hurt in an accident, Cyndi, how does a jury know how much money that person should be awarded?
Well, a jury award is going to be based on the proof that we present at trial. We have the burden of proof as the attorneys representing the injured party. So we're going to put in front of them the medical bills, the wage loss, and the pain and suffering with all the proof we can gather to make that case. And then they're going to be sent back to the jury room with a form with blanks on it. What do you award for each category of damages?
Okay, I can understand the lost wages, the medical bills, those numbers are right there in front of you, but how do you put a number on pain and suffering?
That is a good question. That is the most subjective part of the case, and I think where really the art of personal injury law comes into play, because your job is to basically tell the story and make the jury feel and understand what your client has suffered. So for example, if you have a catastrophic injury case, a brain injury or a spinal cord injury, it might be a good idea to do a day in the life video. Because you can tell them, but it also helps to show them this is what life is like after this wreck, from the time they get up to the time they go to bed. I think it can also be helpful to have evidence of life before the accident. So if someone was an athlete or was able to kayak and do things, you have pictures of them doing these things, then the jury can really understand the loss that has occurred. They can't work this garden anymore. They can't pick these children up anymore, and really feel how life is different after the accident and what the suffering was like.
And that really just revolves back around to your mission at Crocker Law to really communicate with your clients.
Yes, you can't tell a story you don't know, so I think the relationship that you have with your client matters.
I think so. All right, well, join us next time for Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.